pirates have robbed this big colonial ship, tied up all of the colonial soldiers. They've taken all the loot, and as they sail away, we have a saboteur that leaves the main colonial ship, and he swings off to safety. They blast their cannons across the bow, and the colonial ship explodes.
How does Pirate Scotty feel about this level of build?
It'd be a good build,
Yeah, okay, great.
for sure. The pilot ship's amazing.
Do you think it can work, Brickman?
I hope so.
So do I. So do I. And I feel a bit responsible because I was pushing pretty heavily for the guy to not just swing from the mast, but to leave the mast. There she blows. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. There's the hero. Will he be able to get off the boat and to safety?
Here he comes. Get out of there, buddy.
Oh, that's a good explosion.
That's what I'm talking about. Boom.
Survive. You couldn't script that any better, could you?
I mean,
It's completely vanished.
Yeah. As it should be. Yeah.
Did you have any idea that it would do that? Or none at all. I thought for sure something would be left.
it's all gone. It's literally the perfect crime.
Done well.
Your builds were unreal even without the explosions. They were massive, they had presence, they had scale. It told an amazing story. And of course, it was a bit of a bummer we had to blow it up, but that kind of made it even more incredible. And just on the blow up, there's nothing left of that ship.
Soon may the railman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go.